Hi, this video is going to demonstrate how to use the Advantek live animal trap that I got from North 40, and it's already baited with cat food at the very end of the cage, past this little pedal right here, okay, which is very key to setting off the trap. First of all, right now the trap is not set, but while I'm setting it, I have this thing in place to keep it from snapping shut on me, okay? And if I remove this and have the trap set, then it'll work to trap animals. But with this thing in place, it's not going to close. Okay, so the first thing is there's like this rod that comes with the device. For me, the rod was actually not in place when I got the device. But I figured out that you basically have two ends. There's one end that's got a hollow hole inside, like a tube. And on the other side, there is no hollow hole, okay? And that's very key because, first of all, this thing is meant to go underneath the trap door on this side, okay, to push it by pressure to hold the door open when the trap is set, just like that. And the way it holds itself is by tension, because I'm going to insert the tube end of this trap into the little metal rod that you see right there. I'm gonna do that real quick right now. We'll put the phone down. Okay, so I've inserted the hollow part of that tube into this long tube that is triggered by this pedal. When the animal, oh wait, first I would unhook this guy, which makes the trap viable to trap the animal. The animal goes in here, right? It walks over there to get to the food. When it presses down on this lever right there, what's going to happen is this lever, which is inserted into this metal tube above earlier, is going to detach from that tube, thereby setting off, no longer holding this door open, and the door will come flying shut. So that's how it works. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to pretend to be the animal inside, and I'm going to step on this right here, and you'll see the door shut. Because as you see, this little rod came out of that tube, and therefore this thing was no longer up but fell down. Now you'll see right here, there is this little device right here on the trap, which is meant to keep the animal from opening the door, so that only you can open the door as a human being. So the animal can't lift this up, but if you lift this up, then you can reset the trap later on. Let me use my other hand to grab it. See, I was able to bypass it. And once again, then I would once again slide this metal thing down over here, and then I would reattach that hollow portion to that tube over there, and then I would set this little green guy, this little green lever over here to make sure that it's, you know, to release only when I'm ready for it. And that's how you use the trap.